Number 9. Horten Ho 229. In 1944, during the final years of World War II, Germany created one of the strangest and most innovative aircraft ever built, the Horten Ho 229. Designed by German brothers Walter and Remar Horten, it was developed to meet Germany's urgent need for a faster, longer-range aircraft that could easily bypass enemy defenses. Unlike conventional airplanes, the Ho 229 featured a revolutionary flying wing design without a traditional tail section, which drastically reduced air resistance. Powered by early jet engines, it was one of the most advanced warplanes of its era, and many experts believe its smooth geometry provided early stealth capabilities. However, the technology proved too advanced for its time. Germany lacked the resources to produce it quickly, leaving only a few prototypes completed before the war ended. Ultimately, the Ho 229 did not fail due to design weaknesses, but because it arrived long before the world was ready to handle its technology. Number 8. MiG-31 Foxhound, the fastest interceptor. Introduced by the Soviet Union in 1979, the MiG-31 Foxhound was built by the famous Mikoyan Design Bureau, with a simple primary goal: intercept and destroy incoming enemy bombers long before they reached Soviet territory. Rather than engaging in traditional dogfights, the aircraft was essentially engineered as a heavy-flying missile system. Equipped with a powerful radar capable of tracking targets hundreds of kilometers away, the MiG-31 could fly at speeds exceeding Mach 2 and deploy long-range missiles to strike enemies from vast distances. Despite these impressive capabilities, operating such a formidable machine presented huge operational challenges. It was exceptionally expensive to maintain, required highly complex systems, and was tailored for a very specific role. Nevertheless, the MiG-31 remains one of the fastest operational combat aircraft ever constructed. Number 7. B-2 Spirit. During the 1980s, the United States sought to develop a strategic bomber capable of penetrating modern enemy air defenses undetected. Built by Northrop Grumman, the result was the B-2 Spirit, a revolutionary aircraft that ushered in a new era of stealth technology. Its distinctive flying wing shape was meticulously engineered to minimize its radar signature. The B-2 could fly thousands of kilometers, carry immense weapon payloads, and strike deep within contested airspace without being easily tracked by enemy sensors. However, this cutting-edge capability came at an unprecedented cost. Each aircraft cost billions of dollars, and its radar-absorbent radar coatings required continuous, highly complex maintenance, ultimately limiting the number built. The B-2 proved that in modern warfare, the most dangerous weapon is often the one you never see coming. Number 6. F-14 Tomcat. In 1970, the United States Navy introduced the F-14 Tomcat, developed by Grumman Aerospace to protect aircraft carrier strike groups against incoming aerial threats. The Tomcat quickly became one of the most capable and recognizable air superiority fighters of its era. The F-14 featured an advanced radar system capable of tracking multiple targets simultaneously and engaging enemies at long ranges. Its defining feature was its variable sweep wing design, which automatically adjusted, extending forward for low-speed maneuvers and sweeping backward during high-speed flight, giving it extraordinary flight characteristics. Despite its global fame and iconic status, maintaining the Tomcat's complex swing-wing mechanisms and advanced electronics was labor-intensive and costly. Over time, newer and more maintainable fighters replaced it, but the F-14 remains an enduring icon in military aviation history. Number 5. Su-57 Felon. In the early 2000s, Russia embarked on developing a next-generation fighter designed to compete directly with the world's most advanced stealth platforms. Manufactured by Sukhoi, the Su-57 Felon was engineered to blend high speed, low observability, and unmatched maneuverability. The Su-57 integrated reduced radar cross-section geometry, powerful engines for sustained high speeds, and sophisticated avionics to give pilots rapid situational awareness. Unlike older combat jets, it was built from the ground up to combine multi-role weapon capability with stealth and extreme agility. However, bringing the aircraft to operational status was met with significant hurdles. The project faced recurring delays in engine development and avionics integration, keeping overall production numbers low. The Su-57 ultimately stands as a testament to both modern aerospace ambitions and the immense difficulty of fielding a true next-generation warplane. Number 4. AC-130 gunship. While most military aircraft are designed for speed or stealth, the AC-130 was created for a single purpose: devastating sustained firepower. In the 1960s, the United States Air Force modified the rugged C-130 transport aircraft into a heavily armed ground attack gunship. Unlike fast jets that make quick bombing runs, the AC-130 is designed to loiter over a battlefield, delivering continuous fire support to friendly ground forces. Outfitted with heavy side-mounted cannons, advanced night vision sensors, and precise targeting systems, it can engage ground targets even in complete darkness. The aircraft's primary drawback is its size and low speed, which makes it vulnerable against modern integrated air defense systems without proper mission planning and support. Despite this, the AC-130 remains one of the most specialized and feared battlefield support platforms ever built. Number 3. SR-71 Blackbird. During the height of the Cold War, the United States required a reconnaissance platform capable of entering deep into hostiles' airspace, gathering crucial intelligence, and escaping unharmed. Designed by Lockheed's legendary Skunk Works division, the SR-71 Blackbird was the answer. Operating at extreme altitudes, the SR-71 could fly faster than Mach 3, more than 3 times the speed of sound. If enemy surface-to-air missiles were launched at it, the pilot's defense tactic was simple: open the throttles and outrun the missile. No SR-71 was ever shot down by enemy action. Engineering the aircraft presented extreme physical challenges. Friction at high speeds generated intense heat, requiring custom titanium alloys, specialized fuel, and unique operating procedures. Although retired after decades of service, the SR-71 remains an unequaled pinnacle of aviation engineering. Number 2. F-22 Raptor. In the 1990s, the United States Air Force set out to construct an air superiority fighter that could achieve total dominance over modern battlefields. Developed by Lockheed Martin and Boeing, the resulting F-22 Raptor stands as one of the world's premier fifth-generation fighter jets. The F-22 seamlessly combines advanced stealth geometry, sensor fusion, and powerful thrust-vectoring engines capable of supercruise, flying faster than the speed of sound without using afterburners. This allows the Raptor to detect and engage enemy targets long before the opponent is even aware of its presence. This level of technological superiority came with a massive financial footprint. Soaring development and maintenance costs eventually caused production to end early, leaving a limited operational fleet. Even so, the F-22 redefined combat aviation standards and proved just how formidable and complex a modern fighter jet can be. Number 1. A-10 Thunderbolt II. Designed during the Cold War by Fairchild Republic, the A-10 Thunderbolt II was not built for speed, stealth, or aesthetic beauty. Its singular purpose was close air support, protecting ground troops and destroying enemy armored columns on the battlefield. Unlike other jets, the A-10 was essentially engineered around its primary weapon, the massive GAU-8 Avenger 30mm rotary cannon mounted in its nose. To survive heavy ground fire, the cockpit is encased in a protective titanium bathtub, and its control systems and engines are redundant and strategically placed to sustain extreme damage while remaining flyable. Affectionately nicknamed the Warthog by its pilots, the A-10 earned a reputation as one of the most dependable and resilient close support aircraft in history, proving that durability and firepower are sometimes far more vital on the battlefield than high technology.